This is Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, the first to merge a pen with a phone. Galaxy Note is the power phone that forever changes how you work and play. Today's new normal demands a new device, so we made one.
Can you all see the PowerPoint?
Yeah.
Bringing first-of-its-kind innovation to mobile for a new way to collaborate. This is not work as you know it. This is the power of a computer suite in your hand. Smart, fast and efficient, S Pen does what your computer can't. With 3 times faster latency, it responds just like a real pen, except it's got a brain. If your ideas start to take a turn, Note 20's AI uses millions of sample sentences to keep them right on track.
Hi.
Hi.
What do you need?
Audio Bookmark lets you sync audio to the notes you take, so that you can replay and pick up whatever you missed.
Specs. They're asking for 1920 by 1080.
Coupling S Pen's brainpower with Samsung Notes and MS integration, Note 20 does what your desktop doesn't. Now you can convert your notes to PowerPoint and share Xbox gaming on your phone. Xbox Game Pass Ultimate gives you 100 plus Xbox games without download.